If you have some extra money and you want to make your life better, the best thing that you could do is to improve your home, because an investment in some home and garden furniture is something that lasts for a long while. Renovating your indoor and outdoor decoration would be a great deal. Once you decide to go after some stuff for your house, you should know how to pick the right ones. If you do not want to spend money uselessly, first of all, the best decoration styles are the simple ones. In fact, you should keep your room's layout as simple as possible. Having a big number of furniture makes your house look overcrowded and unorganized, something that could give you a bad stress feeling. What really matters in choosing home and garden furniture is how you put things together and not how many stuff you get. So you can just buy some little furnishings and implant them in a harmonized way to get a stylish decoration. On the other hand, quality is one of the main factors that you should care about. As we all know, furniture are not so cheap, and you do not want to pay big amounts for a table or a couch that is going to break down soon. For example, when you think of refurbishing your kitchen, you have to consider only premium quality products such as Wix kitchens or Deli kitchens. You can rely on these manufacturers for both durability and style, so you would better pay a little more for something that is going to endure too much more. Hence, always consider the best wooden materials, the most resistant aluminum, and the purest glass brands. Besides, you should pay attention to the safety of your children. Actually, some decorative stuff are too heavy iron ones or too fragile glass ones, and they could be a real danger for kids. After all, accident happens. Now, do not forget to ask the opinion of your wife and your children to see things more globally, and go take your furniture